Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add rows in Google Sheets. Okay, on Google Sheets there are 1000 rows at the beginning of the page, and if you have reached the 1000 rows, you can just add the rows easily. So at the end of the rows you will see an option to add rows. All you have to do is input the number of rows to be added. For example, I want to add 50 rows and just click add. So the rows will increase by that much too. Okay, it's very simple to add rows in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.